This video is to help students submit assignments via Google Drive or Google Docs. So instead of just submitting a link that then I would have to click on, it makes my life exponentially easier. So this is a general expectation if you're submitting something from Google Docs. So we'll say you're submitting Unit 1, Lesson 4 Activity Guide. You just click here on Start Assignment. And then down here you see that you have different options on where to submit something from. So frequently you will use File Upload. Sometimes you may use Canvas Studio. Dropbox, I don't know that we use that one so often. Office 365 you might use, but you'll probably most likely be using Google Drive. So if you just click here on this tab, Google Drive, it's not going to work for me because I am masquerading in Student View. But when you click on Google Drive, it should populate your entire Google Drive there so you can navigate to your specific folder and the specific file that you want to submit. And then just click on that and follow the directions. Hope this helps.